Stop saving 10% of your paycheck. That old advice is a trap. It's designed to keep you working until you're 70. If you're starting from zero in your 30s or 40s, traditional saving is a slow death. You don't need a 40-year plan. You need an aggressive exit strategy. Most financial gurus tell you to cut out lattes and wait decades. But the math doesn't add up anymore. We've analyzed the blueprints of the most successful individuals in the FIRE movement, people who didn't inherit wealth, but engineered it. They didn't save their way to freedom. They earned and invested their way there. In this video, I'm handing you the exact 5-year roadmap to retire early, even if your bank account is currently at zero. We're skipping the slow and steady nonsense. We're diving straight into aggressive income scaling, strategic investing for 2026, and the passive income loops that actually work. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step plan to stop trading your time for money forever. Let's be honest. You've been told the same lie your whole life. Just save 10% of your income. Sounds safe, right? Simple. But here is the cold, hard truth. If you're starting from zero in your 30s or 40s, that advice is a financial death sentence. At 10%, you aren't retiring early. You're just funding a very modest lifestyle when you're 70. By then, inflation will have eaten your purchasing power alive. You're not just fighting a lack of money. You're fighting time. Every year you spend playing it safe is another year of your life traded for a paycheck you barely enjoy. You feel it, don't you? That knot in your stomach when you look at your bank account. The realization that the traditional path was designed for a world that doesn't exist anymore. You don't have 30 years to wait for compound interest to do the heavy lifting. You need a shortcut. But the gurus tell you to just cut out the lattes. Please. You can't budget your way to freedom when the math doesn't add up. You don't need a better budget. You need a completely different vehicle. If you have zero in the bank, the traditional save and wait method is a death sentence for your dreams. You don't have 30 years to wait. You have 5. To retire in 60 months, we have to stop thinking about asterisk saving and start thinking about asterisk cash flow asterisk. Saving is defensive. Cash flow is offensive. Here is the aggressive 4-step blueprint to go from broke to retired. Step 1, the income pivot. Listen closely. You cannot budget your way to wealth if your income is stagnant. If you earn $40K a year, there is only so much you can cut. You can't cut your way to $1 million. You need a high-income skill. I'm talking about a skill that can command $10,000 a month, not $3,000. Spend the next 6 months obsessing over one. This skill is the fuel for the entire engine. Without a massive income spike, the 5-year plan is impossible. Step 2, the aggressive gap. Most people fall into the lifestyle creep trap. They get a raise, they buy a better car. That is how you stay a slave to the 9 to 5. To retire in 5 years, you must live like you're still broke while earning like a CEO. Every single extra dollar from your new high-income skill must be diverted. Not to a savings account, not to a vacation, to the machine. Step 3, buying cash flow. Forget the 401k for a moment. We aren't looking for a giant pile of money to live off of in 30 years. We need assets that pay asterisk. This means investing in dividend growth stocks, rental properties, or building a digital product that sells while you sleep. The goal isn't a balance in a bank account. The goal is a monthly check that covers your basic living expenses. Once your assets pay your rent and groceries, you are technically retired. Step 4, the exit multiplier. Now we accelerate. You take the profits from your first assets and immediately reinvest them into more assets. This is the snowball effect. By year 4 and 5, your passive income shouldn't just cover your bills, it should exceed them. When your passive income is 1.5x your monthly expenses, you hit the exit button. You've just bought back your life. Now let's be real. Executing this plan alone is a grind. You need a precise roadmap. That's why I recommend the Wealth Blueprint software. It removes the guesswork and automates your path to financial independence. When you stop guessing and start calculating, the results change. Imagine waking up 5 years from today. No alarm clock, no toxic boss, just a diversified stream of passive income that covers every single bill. That is the power of aggressive investing over passive saving. You can keep following the 10% rule and retire at 70, or you can take the shortcut. Click the link in the description to get the software and start your 5-year countdown today. And if you're committed to building real wealth, hit that subscribe button. Let's get you retired.